In today's video, let us take a look at strongest and most powerful machines that are definitely worth the price. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. The CAT 6090 FS. This enormous machine is known to give the widest payload range that promises easier serviceability and greater productivity. Its standard bucket has a capacity of 37 to 55 meters cubed and a total bucket payload of 103 tons. It is powered by 2X Cummins QSK60, enabling it to produce a net power of 4,500 horsepower. Since the top priority of this machine is safety, productivity, and serviceability, manufacturers have added in a few useful features. The CAT 6090 FS has a unique drive system that maintains a balanced combination of power and efficiency together with its new twin-engine concept, allowing it to stay up and running more consistently. If your concern is within its power, it is integrated with the trip power system that results in the machine's superb taking capability and bucket fill factors. Even when the energy used is maintained efficiently by the closed-loop swing circuit, it has a relatively faster boom lift motion compared to others. All of its innovations and developments are brought by the CAT MineStar system and technology solutions for greater safety and productivity on site. Up next, we have the Caterpillar 797F. This is part of the Caterpillar 797 series on off-highway, ultra-class, 2-axle, mechanical powertrain haul trucks. Trucks from this series are specifically made to withstand and exceed the great demands of high-production mining and heavy construction applications worldwide. Ever since 1998, this series has been producing the largest, highest capacity haul trucks. However, the current third-generation model 797F is considered as one of the largest haul trucks in the world. It offers a total payload capacity of up to 400 short tons, which is the highest payload capacity among mechanical drive haul trucks. Some of its features included a rate gross machine weight of 1,375,000 pounds. Powered by SAE J1995, it has a gross power of 4,000 horsepower. Aside from this, it also has an impressive lifespan. Since all the major components of the 797 series can be serviced or replaced except the frame, the overall lifespan of the truck will depend on the durability of the frame, but usually it lasts up to a 20-year service life.
The tunnel boring machine, also known as the mole. Another excavating machine, is only used for tunnels. It is designed to bore through anything like earth and hard rock. It's an excellent alternative to tunneling using methods such as blasting, and certainly beats doing the work by hand. Our next machine is an agricultural trash collection machine from the South African business ERDVARK. The land is covered in a considerable amount of decomposing trash such as roots and stems once the harvest is completed. All of the topsoil, as well as all of this waste product, is removed when the crop is cycled for the next season. The soil can then be readied for the next crop to be planted without being hampered by the previous growing cycle's effects. It's doubtful that you've ever heard of this device, and even less likely that you've seen it in person. This is a NASA transporter crawler. Despite the fact that this machine is not used in mining, we decided to add it because it's manufactured by the Power Shovel firm. Its function was to transport spacecraft and rockets from the assembly building to the launch pad. From 1981 to 2011, it carried many missions such as Apollo, Skylab, and the Saturn V rocket. There are only 2 crawler transporters, and both of them belong to NASA.
Another important mining truck we need to cover is the Liebherr T284. This represents the advancement and success of Liebherr's T282C, an ultra-class mining truck that aims to provide help to the customer's production targets even with fewer trucks and less time. The Liebherr T284 has a payload class of 363 tons and a gross power of 2,720. This not only increases productivity in such great heights, but also reduces fuel consumption, delivering over 4,000 horsepower. Even with its gross weight of 605 tons, the Liebherr T284 is still considered to be the lightest in terms of its weight when empty and most capable mining truck due to its high payload.
This next machine is a rather large lawnmower. This isn't the kind that you push around your backyard either, and like many of the other machines that we've looked at, it's tractor mounted. This one in particular is a rather powerful machine capable of cutting down shrubs, bushes, and even small trees.
The Terex Corporation is known as a global manufacturer of lifting and material processing products and services, and they also have a representative on the parade of largest excavators. This is the Terex RH400, the world's largest hydraulic excavator. This machine can dig as far as 62.34 feet in and has a maximum dump height of 47.58 feet in. Even so, it maintains a stable maximum travel speed of 1.37 miles per hour. This is made possible through its engine that has a recorded net power of 4,500 horsepower.
Up next is a cutter attachment for an excavator from KEMROC. This, like some of the other devices that we've seen on our list, employs a spinning blade. This one is being used for cutting into stone walls. Cutting into a wall like this could be for a variety of purposes, such as embedding structural supports. Sometimes it can be for planting explosives so that the wall can be detonated and removed. Like P&H's electric rope shovel design, the Bucyrus walking dragline has a similar cable mechanism, albeit with a more traditional crane style. The bucket is attached with two ropes, one at its top and one at its base. Upon pulling the rope, the bucket is filled with minerals and dust. These machines are used for lifting heavy loads in mining and construction, just like previous machines we've seen.
Formerly known as Terex Unit Rig MT6300 AC, this machine was rebranded last year in 2010, and now we know it as the Bucyrus MT6300 AC. It is a vehicle that promises an amazing off-highway experience with ultra-class 2 axles and a diesel AC electric powertrain. So far, this machine is Bucyrus's largest and highest payload capacity haul truck. In fact, it can lift an impressive total weight of 400 short tons. The Bucyrus dump truck is powered by Detroit diesel MTU 20V4000 engine. Some of its competitors are Liebherr T282B and Caterpillar 797F that offer the same payload capacity, as well as the BelAZ 75710 with 450 tons payload capacity. Next, we have the largest excavator in the Hitachi product line, the Hitachi EX8000. This machine takes pride in its exceptional levels of productivity. Taking twin Cummins diesel engines as its power provider, the 40-meter cubed loading shovel or 43-meter cubed backhoe bucket can accomplish a large portion of the work in no time. It even has a computer-aided engine pump control to monitor the maximum operating efficiency of the machine. The Hitachi EX8000 also takes efficiency and productivity to another level, as it is designed to work 24/7 while maintaining its durable and reliable status. Several easy maintenance systems are also present for a safe operation of the excavator. Even though the design of the EX8006 incorporates a durable rigid box design and solid cast track frame, as well as robust lower rollers, track links, and drive tumblers, replacements are kept straightforward to minimize maintenance time, hence giving more time for the actual work on the site.
The following clip is from the NEXTRENCHER. Displaying a powerful trenching machine, this gadget is attached to a specialized tractor with a big spinning mining belt that functions similarly to a chainsaw. This chainsaw-like belt is adjustable, allowing it to be driven into the ground and dug up to a significant depth. The soil is dug out of the side neatly into a mound as it digs. This comes in handy while installing pipe foundations and other underground infrastructure. The next item on our list is some herd equipment tilling equipment. The tractor tows this agricultural equipment across the land for tilling, which prepares it for cultivation. The trailer's back end is what really tills the soil by cutting into it with thin wheels similar to pizza cutters. The cutting wheel's angle ensures that as much dirt as possible is churned, exposing more of the nutrient-rich soil.
When it comes to mining excavators, one of the largest of them is the Liebherr R9800, with a bucket capacity of 47.5 meters cubed and a shovel capacity of 42 meters cubed. This excavator's cutting edge is in combining flexibility and productivity to meet every possible need. This is done through opening the option to choose between Cummins and Liebherr as their preferred diesel engine partner. Rest assured that its engine rating is at a satisfactory 2,984 kilowatts. Tackling both productivity and flexibility, the R9800 can also be paired with T264, T274, or T284 mining trucks to create a highly productive machine designed for large-scale mining operations. It also has other cool features, such as its quick hitch hydraulics. This removes the need to use hammers and manual drive out in inserting the mounting pins for attachment, thus allowing the rapid change of buckets and attachments on the machine.
The giant machine you're currently watching is the Komatsu D575A Super Bulldozer. With 1,150 horsepower coming from its beast of an engine, it can carry 90 cubic yards of load. It's also quite a capable digging machine. Usually it is employed on surface mines and coal fields, moving heavy loads to their destinations. clip on our list comes from AGREGGER AG, showing the demolition of an old structure. Not all buildings are made equally. While some are easy to mulch because they're made out of wood, others are simple to use explosives and detonate. Some projects simply can't be handled the same way and need specialized equipment. Here they use a set of claws to tear apart the reinforced concrete structure that makes up this building.
The Komatsu 960E1, or also known as the 960E, designed and manufactured by Komatsu in Peoria, Illinois, United States. It is known for its ultra-class and state-of-the-art design and performance. With a payload capacity of up to 360 short tons, the 960E is Komatsu's largest and highest capacity haul truck. This unbelievable truck was developed in 2008 and has been proving its capacity since then. With a total weight of 275 tons, the Komatsu 960E can travel up to 64 kilometers per hour. Since this machine is too heavy for highway roads, it is transported to a place piece by piece and then assembled the moment it reaches the site.
Next up is the P&H L-2350 loader, which holds the Guinness World Record for the largest earth mover. Its enormous bucket, measuring 53 cubic yards, can handle up to 80 tons of weight. This type was created primarily for filling haul trucks, those big dump trucks you've probably seen in photos. In a matter of minutes, it can fill one of them. It can elevate its bucket to a height of 24 feet when fully extended. Komatsu Limited actually now has an improved model available on the market with a capacity of 73 cubic yards. You're watching the CAT 6090 hydraulic shovel. which is unique because of its two engines. This allows one person to drive the vehicle while the other controls the hydraulics for the arm and the shovel. With a payload capacity of 104 tons, it is one of the world's largest shovels. The first clip comes from ARJES Recycling, showing an absolutely massive and mobile shredder. They use this shredder to dispose of old and worn out or otherwise wrecked vehicles that are no longer usable. The shredder, of course, disintegrates whatever is put inside, then outputs a pile of debris ready to be recycled. It can be incredibly satisfying to watch the shredder take in the chunks of metal and plastic and turn them into tiny pieces. Our next clip is from BETEK. It shows a large saw for cutting through stone and concrete. This large spinning saw is mounted onto an excavator boom and is powerful enough to cut through concrete and foundations. This is useful in the preparation of an area for construction or simply for assisting in demolition.
The Komatsu PC8000, which is known as the most powerful hydraulic excavator in Komatsu's product range, with an engine power of 4,020 kilowatt horsepower. It also has a superb digging ability, since its shovel capacity is 42 meters cubed, with a backhoe capacity of 42 meters cubed, totally on par with the power 240 to 400 US ton trucks. A new safety feature called the ComVision system was also integrated on this machine to increase operator awareness and reduce pit accidents. Innovators of the PC8000 also made sure to add a 45-degree stairway system so that the operator and the maintenance staff have comfortable and safe access to the machinery house level and cab level. Additionally, they also developed an intelligent data system called the ComTrax Plus upgrade that allows operators to monitor the Komatsu machine directly in the cabin, allowing proactive and preventive maintenance. Speaking of monitoring, the PC8000 also has a payload meter which identifies the bucket payload so the operator can load the truck more efficiently. In doing so, it reduces the truck loading time due to decreased required passes per truck and collects data for the mine manager to base their fleet planning on.
A remarkable hedge trimmer from Germany uses big saw blades mounted on a tractor. This gadget is moved along the road and used to cut down any plants that are obstructing the route. Any tree limbs, shrubs, and other vegetation that are in the way are removed utilizing numerous revolving cutting saws mounted on an adjustable arm. P&H electric rope shovel, a cable system excavator. Instead of hydraulics, its digging arm is controlled and powered by winches and steel ropes. It has no engine as it is entirely based on electrical power. The largest variety, the P&H 4800 XPC, has a dipper capacity of 92 cubic yards and 122.5 metric tons. To bring back the F-150, it can essentially hold 3.5 whole F-150s in just volume. In terms of weight, it could hold over 40. In short, this machine can move a lot of dirt around very quickly.
Still considered one of the largest is the BelAZ 75710. Just like the previous trucks, this too is an ultra-class haul truck. Its unique layout includes a front engine and a four-wheel drive. Two axles are also conventionally set up in the BelAZ 75710, as well as the doubled wheels. Its four-wheel drive and four-wheel hydraulic steering is also quite unusual, so it needs support from the two 5980 R63 tires. The BelAZ 75710 can also turn into a radius of about 31 meters or 102 feet. Payloads on trucks like this are worth talking about too, especially with this one that can carry up to 450-ton load.
The truly outstanding bucket wheel excavator, according to the Guinness Book of World Records, this is the world's largest machine. It measures more than 2 soccer fields in length and is taller than a 30-story structure. In 1995, this gigantic monster was developed in Germany to dig coal. It continues to fulfill its duties heroically to this day.
That's all of the world's strongest and most powerful machines. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comment section what you want to see next. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on these amazing machines. See you in the next video.